Welcome in to another woolly review, although it's not woolly, it's cottony. Drops Love You 7 Unicolor Classic 8/4 cotton. This is in the colour 27, although we're not here to actually talk about the colour, we're here to say about how it feels and how it works up. This is 170 metres, 185 yards, 100% cotton, 50 grams. The cheapest place that I've found this is in several places, but with the postage combined, not only for international but also in the UK, the cheapest place is the Wool Warehouse. 80 pence. 80 pence for cotton. I have never known cotton that cheap. It feels silky, it feels soft and oobly squishable. I'm going to place it onto my ball holder and we're going to work this puppy up. Actually, we're not working on puppies because Beanie's going to help me. Beanie, who was made by Jelena over at Cutlery Designs on Etsy. She is linked down below underneath the like button and the subscribe button. If you're willing, please do. And she will custom make any hook, size, shape, design that you wish for a very, very, very good price. Now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Not feeling bad in the hand. Not feeling bad. I apologise for any atmospheric noise. We have a lot of wind going on here right now. And I do have the back door open because it is hot. For a winter's day, it is hot. So you might hear the odd jingle jangle and bit of wind rushing through. I do apologise, but it's either that or Lisa melts. And this Lisa does not want to melt right now. So it is splitting a fair old bit at the moment. I'm having to be extra careful. Which, when you just want to get into your groove, isn't always the easiest of things. I've got to say I quite like the finish on the cotton. That silky sheen that it has, that I can see. I don't know if you can, but I can see. I quite like it. It doesn't feel too bad at all. I'm just having to be very careful for that split. Now I've forgotten whether I'm doing double or half double, but we're not here to judge on my ridiculous stitches. We're here to see how it works up. Now I am using a 4mm hook. I'd probably recommend using a 3 or a 3.5 with this. But Beanie wanted to help out, so who am I to say no to that poor little face? Okay, sometimes I do, but not today. So we've split again. Oops. And now I'm going to struggle getting into that stitch. And it's split again. Oh heavens. There are some cottons that will split continuously and others amazingly just don't at all. This, well, this is splitting. This is a right little splitter. see if we can get in. There we go. Okay. So let's put beanie down. It feels nice. It's not a kitchen cotton. That'd be nice to wear. Skin. That's nice. That's nice. Now drops do a fair old amount of different types, and the great thing with this, and I've only just realised this, that on the ball band it tells you what this works with from their yarns. So right here it says it can be used on patterns designed for alpaca, baby merino, baby alpaca or silk, delight, fable, flora, kid silk, loves you number 9, this is loves you number 7, Nord and saffron. And of course there's patterns on their website as well. So that is really handy, because a lot of the time we don't have the wool that is asked for in patterns, and we need to find some sort of substitute. That is a great help. Anyway, let's frog. Let's go slow. Pretty good and really smooth. Now fast. Really good. A lot of crinkle. That's a lot of crinkle. That is a lot of crinkle. Lots of crinkle. That's not good. But it feels nice. 80p for 170 meters. 80p. If I had the money, I'd be buying a good wodge of each of the colours of this. But what am I going to actually give it as a rating for what it is? Not the price, but for what it is. Would I turn my back on it? No. Would I be really disgruntled if it was the only thing left on the shelf? No. Would I be more than happy to use it if what I needed wasn't on the shelf? Well, yeah. So, would I go for it, like, if I couldn't find the actual thing that I wanted, would that be my next port of call? Yes. And that is where I'm going to keep it. So the drops Love You 7. Ta is being shown off by one of my hanky stitch markers. Let me know if you want to buy any. Sorry, plug. I would give this a 4 out of 5 Ladybirds. The only thing that lets it down is the splitting, but it's not so bad that I'd give it a lower mark. If I watch myself, it's okay. It's lovely and soft. It is a wearable cotton. It's got a lovely silky sheen. And heck, 80p. 80p for pure cotton. Heck yeah. If this review was any use to you whatsoever, please give a thumbs up down there next to that subscribe button. And maybe I'll see you next week. Take care. Bye-bye.